Hi, I'm Scott Shellady here at the CME Group in London, talking about cable, or that's the sterling versus the pound, pretty much one of the bigger pairs that is traded out there in the currency world. Well, let's talk about what's been happening as of late. We've come from the low 140s down to the low 130s. As I've gone to tape here, it was around 131 and change. Now it's just over 132. But that move lower has been really due to the fact that that dollar has been getting stronger. It's been getting stronger against all currencies. At the same time, we've had a little bit of a sputtering economy here in the UK. We've seen construction cool off, manufacturing cool off a little bit, and I'm not quite sure about that retail sector. So those types of things have caused this divergence. Stronger dollar, weaker pound, that's caused cable to come from the low 140s to the low 130s. I'd also have to say that we also saw the Bank of England today say that they're not going to change rates. I don't think that was a shock to anybody, but what really was a little bit of a shock was one more member voted to raise them than they did the last time around, and I think things have gotten worse or deteriorated since then, and that took the market a little bit by surprise, and that's what we've seen rally that sterling dollar rate from 131.5-ish to just over 132. In a normal scenario, it would have gotten a lot more movement for that, but it's still under pressure. And lastly, 130, right? That's been a kind of a big line in the sand as of late. If we get through that, the talk is that we're going to look to those Brexit lows, 126. We did have a real spike lower, but it looked like a blip on the screen. But, you know, mid 120s. So keep an eye on that. 130 level, if that goes, you could see some further selling from folks getting out of that trade. So that's it from here, talking cable, or the pound versus the dollar. I'll see you again next week. I'm Scott Shellady here in London for the CME Group.